want to know what will happen to our sun? Most people think that our sun will someday explode and will destroy everything, but the truth was much more fascinating. See, our sun is a modest-sized star. That means its ending would not be the most dramatic event in the universe, but it would be spectacular but not catastrophic on a cosmic scale. So what happened first? When the hydrogen fuel inside the sun's core finally exhausted, the core no longer has enough pressure to support itself and gravity begins to win. The core started contracting, as we have discussed in the previous video, and that contraction releases enormous energy, and that energy creates the outer layer of the sun to expand dramatically, and the sun eventually turns into a red giant. It becomes so huge that it engulfs Mercury, Venus and even Earth. But the story doesn't end here. After the sun goes through its later fusion stage, when the helium fuses into heavier elements, the sun begins to die, because unlike massive star, the sun cannot keep fusing these heavier and heavier elements. No, but something beautiful happened here. The sun gently shed its outer layer into the space, into a growing, expanding cloud of gas known as Planetary Nebula. Despite its name, it absolutely has nothing to do with planets. Astronomers simply thought that they look like planets through their telescope, but it has nothing to do with planets. So what remained, the remnant, is just the collapsed core of the sun, which is incredibly hot, incredibly dense and surprisingly small, just the size of the earth, and it is called white dwarf. And do you know what? A single teaspoon of this white dwarf would weigh roughly 15 tons on earth. That extraordinary amount of matter packed in a tiny space. Well, and if it is so dense, then why doesn't it continue collapsing into a black hole? Well, the answer lies in one of the strangest idea of quantum mechanics, but that we will discuss in our next video, so stay tuned with me.